Contact OneKey Wallet support. How to open help ticket in OneKey Wallet. In order to open or contact the help support on OneKey, launch the OneKey app, and this is the interface you will see. From the top right hand side, tap on this multiple dots icon that you can see right there, and when you tap on that icon, you're going to land on this page. From the bottom left, tap on the option called support that you can see right there. Now from support, you can see all of these various options. Over here at the top, you can see the option that says send us a message. So you just have to tap on that particular option. And now here you have simply contacted the support team. Initially, it could be a AI chatbot, but you have to request a live agent and they will be able to get in touch with you. This way you can contact OneKey Wallet support. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.